over there.
You're giving them soccer mom.
Oh, that's cute. You're giving them
Auntie, rich auntie with no kids.
I feel like you're giving them very much like shopping on Rodeo.
Very much blowing my husband's money. I feel like that's what I'm getting today.
I'm dead.
Okay, let's get into it. So, what are we making today? Today we are making some chicken, spinach, and mushroom Alfredo.
Ooh.
Today we're giving very cheap but expensive looking. So let's get an outfit of the day. This is a little, you know, off the shoulder pink shirt I got from a boutique in Detroit. It wasn't Detroit. What's it called? Greenfield Plaza from Paper Dolls Boutique. Cute. We got on some Windsor Rip Boyfriend jeans. These was like a 30 ball. Real cheap, but they are like real quality denim. I got some Boohoo sandals on. Just some little clear sandals, you know, with the pink toes. That was like a 20 ball. And then, you know, I gotta have me a little vintage piece. So we got a vintage Fendi bag. Fendi Wendy today. I don't know when this came out, but very cute. Love it. Good little curls going. So that's the outfit of the day, period. Okay, so we're gonna go in with the seasoning for our chicken. I am gonna use a tablespoon of Old Bay with blackened seasoning. Get that going. Boom. I'm gonna go in with some black pepper. Do about half. Just tripping. Shawty, you're tripping. Oh, hold on. This used to come out faster than this. Oh no, there we go. We're gonna do about half of a tablespoon. Then we're gonna go in with our Jamaican all-purpose seasoning. This has a lot of salt in it, so you don't want to use too much. We're gonna go with 1 teaspoon of this. It's almost like seasoning salt, basically. A little bit of Tony's Creole seasoning, no salt. I like no salt seasoning because you can control the flavor. I don't buy too many seasonings that have salt in them already. This is also a teaspoon. A teaspoon of garlic powder. A little bit of Italian seasoning. Alright, a teaspoon of Italian seasoning. And that's that. We're going to mix that up with our tongs. If you like to season stuff with your hands, be my guest. I really don't. We have our pan on a medium heat. We're going to go ahead and add about 1/3 cup of canola oil. Add a little bit of Italian seasoning to that oil. I'm measuring cups though. I know I love me some Italian seasoning. We're going to do half a teaspoon of Italian seasoning right into the oil. It's going to pop. It's going to do a little sizzle. This is 3 cloves of garlic chopped straight into the oil. That's simple. Then we add our chicken. So the chicken goes first, then the mushrooms, then the spinach, because the spinach has a lot of water in it. So if you put it all in at the same time, it's just going to steam your chicken. And it's not going to get like any nice sear or anything on it. That's what you're looking for when you drop your chicken in. Okay, so now that our chicken has browned nicely, this is chicken breast and it's a thin cut, so it cooks really fast. You're going to turn the heat up to about an 8, so medium to high, before you add the mushrooms in, because mushrooms also have a lot of water in them. So if the heat isn't really high, it's going to die. It'll steam, which isn't a bad thing if you don't like a crust on your mushrooms and your chicken, but I do. We're gonna add half of this. This is 8 ounces. I'm gonna add about 4 because I'm doing 1 pot that'll be vegetarian with just mushrooms and spinach, and then 1 pot with chicken. Mushrooms in. Okay, now that the mushrooms have sauteed a little bit with the chicken, we're going to go in with a whole tablespoon of jerk seasoning. You can use whichever one you like. If you use the liquid version, I just like regular powdered jerk seasoning. And I'm going to go in with add that spinach and add a lot of water. It's going to take out some of the flavor. This is half a teaspoon of salt. Okay, now that Thai is cooking down, we can add our spinach. You can cut your spinach up if you don't want to. I don't care to do all that because it's going to wilt anyway. So as soon as you add that, you should hear a sizzle. There's the water from the spinach, and I washed it, so it has extra water on it. Kind of what we're looking for. Spinach is wilted a bit. Mushrooms are getting really soft. There is some water at the bottom, and you don't want all that to evaporate because once you start making your pasta, you want all that juice to go in your pasta. So, alright, now we're going to move on to the actual pasta itself. Period. Okay, so now we're going to actually build our Alfredo pasta itself. I'm going to go in with 1/4 cup of salted butter. You can use unsalted butter, it doesn't matter, as long as it's real butter. Mix that around. Alright, as that melts, we're going to add our garlic. This is 15 cloves of garlic. I know it sounds like a lot, but Alfredo is literally just garlic, pepper, salt, and heavy cream. So you want to have a lot of garlic. This spoon cannot fit in. You need something else, man. Alright. Garlic in the pan. To that butter, we're going to add a tablespoon of black pepper. I'm going to go in with our Italian seasoning, of course, half a teaspoon, right in the butter. Also going to go in, we're going to start with half a teaspoon of salt. I like to do salt to taste. You want to have a good amount of salt in your Alfredo, or else it's just going to taste like heavy cream. Okay, so I'm going to be using half of this pasta, not all of it. Like I said, I'm making a second batch. So about 16 ounces of pasta. I just dropped the whole noodle. Now you want to mix the pasta and that butter so I can break them apart because they are very much put together. Man, I low-key overcooked my pasta. Wasn't supposed to, but oh well. We're here now.
It happens sometimes.
Mix that around in the butter. You can make a separate pot of bechamel if you want and then mix it with your pasta. I don't care to do that. So I just do everything in one pot. Alright. Now that that's all mixed up, you want to turn it up to high. And we're going to add half a cup of pasta water. What was that? Pasta water. That's going to thicken the Alfredo eventually when you add the cream and the cheese. Kind of like adding, like, you know how you add cornstarch and water and stuff? It's the same thing. It's just the starch from the pasta. Alright, now we're going to go in with, you just pour that out. 2 cups on the dot. Start most of that. Mix it around before you add the rest. I'm tripping, y'all. Turn the stove down before you burn the cream. That's on 6 now. Take the half and half out the fridge. Kennedy, why are you catching me slipping? Now I can't open it. Okay, there we go. I'm gonna do half a cup of half and half. Let that sizzle up. Ready. So for my cheese blend, I have Parmesan, mozzarella, Asiago, and smoked provolone. And once we put this in the oven, I'm gonna top it with mozzarella. So you don't want to put too much mozzarella in your pasta because it don't really taste like nothing. Gonna go in with just a handful. This is 8 ounces of cheese. I'm just gonna do a little bit at a time. At this point, you can get your spoon, start mixing it in. And you wanna make sure that the cream is hot, so as soon as you drop the cheese in, it's starting to melt, because if you don't, it's not high enough, your cheese will just stick to the bottom of the pot.
Now the heat is on high.
It's a good consistency to add your chicken and your mushrooms, because remember it does have all that flavor and juice in it. So boom, let me do it this way so y'all can see it right in there. Boom, you want all of that from the bottom of the pot. You don't want to waste anything.
Oh, 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 oh.
I can't put it on my channel.
I can put it
Oh,
on.
because did I break my shirt? Y'all heard that? Period. Spoon hat.
Spoon hat.
Look at that.
Hold on, do it again. Do it again.
Play with her. Oh, look at the cheese pool on it. Don't play with her. I'm debating if I want to pick this up and put it in there because I feel like I'm burning myself.
Is that the smart decision, Gigi?
I'm gonna have to go for it. I'll learn my lesson if it don't work. The rest of this Parmesan, I didn't think I was gonna have enough left, but I'm just gonna sprinkle, a little sprinkle. Okay. And let me get my mozzarella. It's going in the oven at 350 degrees for 20 minutes, just for it to brown, melt, get all juicy and together. And then we'll come back when it's done. Unfortunately, I did not get any pictures of the pasta I made. I just have this still image from the countertop. Thanks, friend. What I'm gonna say, thank you for tuning into my video on my pasta. It looked great, it also tastes great. Give me some feedback on yours. Thank you. Let's one more drip check. Hold on, Fendi Wendy backwards. Got the Fendi Wendy. Stop. It says salad. Sandals and the toes. Zoom in on the toes. Don't zoom in on the toes. Okay, thank you.